PHP comes with many built-in functions. In addition to these predefined functions, we can also create our own custom functions. A function is a block of statements that can be called upon whenever they're required. A function will not execute unless we specifically call the function in our script. The syntax for a function starts with the word function, followed by the function name. We can place the function statements inside the open and close curly braces. The function name can start with a letter or an underscore, but not a number. Function names are not case sensitive. In this example, we've created a function called displaytext. The function has one statement, an echo statement that will display the text my first function. To call a function, we simply write the function name followed by parenthesis and a semicolon, as shown here. We can see the final output in our web browser. The text my first function is displayed. Our second example shows how we can use functions to pass information through arguments. An argument is just like a variable. Arguments need to be specified inside the parenthesis after the function name. We can assign as many arguments as needed, but each must be separated by a comma. In this example, we've created a function named myCar with one argument, car. The function has one statement, an echo statement that outputs the value of the argument car. The value of the argument is derived when we call the function. After the function name, we pass along a value to the argument. Here, we've called the function 3 times, each time with a different value assigned to the variable car, Volvo, BMW, and Honda. We can see the corresponding output in our web browser each time the function executes. We can easily add a second argument to our function. Just place a comma after our first argument and create the second. We'll call this one color. Remember that we'll have to modify our echo statement to output the value assigned to color. The values will come from when the function is called. So we'll create values to assign to our new argument. Now I'll save the file and refresh the page, and we can see that the second argument values are now displayed.